Run, Chynn, run. After the Gala, Marcia come. Run, Chynn, run. Me say after the Gala, Marcia come. Run, Chynn, run. Run, Chynn, run. Try remember, reasoning with Chynn, run. After the Gala, Marcia come. You see, uno two bestie, lesha, and reasoning with Chynn. Uno remember, you know, uno prepare, you know. Marcia say after the Gala, she a come for the tour, no? And if you think say it done, you just wait, man, and she a go tell you some cloth and go below the belt. So you just prepare for it after the Gala. Anyway, my people, speak my mind, people, just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit that thumbs up. And please to watch the video. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and get a subscription. Because me hear Marcia, I use something for a little dirty begging habit where she have on social media. But I beg the whole of we I beg. And she not promote no channel. And she not this. And wait. Marcia, all the man we have 100 and get all gold plaque from YouTube. When you hear him come on his channel, he might tell you like, share and subscribe. You understand? That is like the whole formula for having a channel. For the whole that to tell you like, share and subscribe. So don't come use that to justify your dirty begging habit where you have. And to justify the amount of subscribers where you should have after being on social media for over 15 years, which is a decade and a half. Alright? 90% of YouTubers, especially, them always telling you. If you don't hear them talk it verbally, you see them put it up, like, share, and subscribe, and them scream. Alright? So don't come use that to justify your dirty begging habits where you have, and you not having a certain subscription after so many years. Anyway, my people, they don't know, windy and sunny in Jamaica, and the vibes kind of gone, you know, because if you remember, me telling you, say, I lose the first leg of a semi-final last week in a football, but I know I will get back, and I did get back and win 2-0, and I gone to the final now. And then Jamaica just cap it off yesterday with a 1-0 win and gone to the Gold Cup semi-final. Anyway, Lesha and Chynn, right now, you know, you Lesha, what them are going to do to you, you know, because you have to go prepare for what's coming, you know. Because them are people here in a house, in a phone here, you know, worthless people here, you know. They not like when people buy home, you know. Them not like when people buy house. Them not like when people achieve nothing. You see, as soon as you achieve something and you come and you share it with your audience, one them say, yeah, brag and show off and yeah, boss. But someone who deserve to brag and show off, man. Because on depend on social media for years and cannot inherit anything. And all the good people them we are fight them way through, struggle them way through and make the sacrifice to achieve for the future. Wanna try to bring them down. Wanna even go as far as to come and talk just to, in defense of yourself. Go on. Cause you go on like you can't carry house go with you know. You can't carry this with you know. If the man where you rent for him place that thing like you don't have nowhere to live. Because you'd have been non-ambitious and him would have also or she would have been non-ambitious and a sidewalk you'd have to live on. If the man did that thing like you where you renting place or the people or the agents where you rent the place from, where you're living and asleep. So if you stop use them silly excuse then. We all have to go home. But while you're living, you live your life. While living, live your life. There is life after you. You have your kids, you have your grandkids can come and inherit. They might not be fortunate like you. So if you come up to be fortunate and can provide for them, why not provide for them? You never know what will happen in the life ahead. You understand? Life can be easy for you now and them come back up in a something where there's a barrier for them. So at least you did make that preparation for them to ease some of that pressure and probably stop them from getting involved or forced to get involved because of certain situation them find themselves in a needs and wants. So when stop come talk about you not can't carry house with you when you're dead, carry to them, See this here, see that there, see Tara there. Yeah, but you never talk about this here and Tara that there. Have them grandpitney, them great grandpitney and them pitney. I live off of them wealth now. You understand? Because that is the way of life. So I want to stop carrying this every grudge on the heart for people when people achieve certain things, especially when I want a house, because the next main thing I want to come and talk about buying a house is one. But make sure you can maintain it. Then if you're going to buy a house, you have to plan to maintain it. Because if you don't plan to maintain it, you know what's going to happen. It's going to cost you even more than what you take by it. Because in no time it's going to run down. You understand? And you have to find more money than what you take by it to maintain it, to put it back on top. So you have to maintain it. And remember now, house is not something where you get up every day and maintain. So you can save towards that maintenance. You can save towards why every 2 years me I paint my place. Every year me I paint my place. Alright, me save the roof now go rotten off in space of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. So you save or you put out your money. Once you have ambition, you will always be saving to meet your needs when them come. So all on a poor excuse of not owning anywhere or having anything in life for how much decades on is around and how much decades on depend on social media before certain people will come and achieve. All those excuses are silly excuses. We are not buying it. And we can see that it's not like you wasn't fortunate. You never find yourself in the position to achieve. No more than find yourself in the position to achieve. But guess what me now? You believe it wasn't to own home. You believe it's to get up every day and pay rent and pay this and pay that. This up. Because what? As on talk, you're not afraid of the maintenance. It just come like somebody look at the taxi boy them. Them get up every day and them a drive for years, on top of years and a thief for much money and bus man them. Some of them a tell you, oh me not buying a car, you mad. You know why I'm not buying a car? Because him know how thief him is and him a friend them. So him know that whole for loss what him a go incur while buying a car. You understand me I say to you? And then when they mash up your car, them come to you, fix this, fix that, fix that, fix that. So they are running from all that maintenance. Worthless, them worthless. Because you want to bring down me and mash up my own, but you're afraid to buy one for yourself. Because you know how you're going to treat it. So it's all about the maintenance soon. Anyway, my people, as me I say, lesha, boy, right now, you know, your name I go call for nearly 1-2 weeks straight in a phone, you know. Me I tell you, you know, with a little house where you go say you buy and whatsoever, you know, because then are non-home owner, yeah, when you plan for own no home. The Magavit say, yeah, show off and yeah, this and yeah, that. So me never know say people must be proud of them achievement. Me never know say people can share them achievement with them friends and followers and subscribers. You understand? It have to be show off and bossy. But here why I feel so now and guilty. Because I don't have the ambition. I don't hope to reach this or not there. Because I never plan to. And now them say it never too late for a show off rain. But certain stage where I reach in a life right now, I condemn on own self. So it's like no prosperity now go out the phone. It's just hand can't reach mouth. One time gone, would have said hand can't just hand to mouth. Wait, so the hand come up and got the mouth. Now a hand can't reach mouth. The hand stop yourself for uno. It can't even reach no mouth. So certain achievement you now go have again. Because you're so coming like this so. Don't a ground this so. Dirty. People, I could start out that video here so. With Marcia. You understand? Marcia, I say, well, when me hear the whole description before, I could identify, say, a Chynn she attack, which is reasoning with Chynn. I did pick up some reasoning with Chynn based on what she say, and based on some video I see reasoning with Chynn put out. And then when she come right down to the video and talk about, yeah, I'll take a cocoa and this true cocoa to the Chynn the little video with cocoa now and put cocoa in the bicycle. Yo, you see your Chynn? You see your, me not defend you, I'm not going to defend you. So I don't want you to follow me, Chynn. I'm not going to defend you, lady. You understand? Because you live far from me. And when the stone are show me now, I go know and by the time you have to ring the alarm. And if you reach, head bust up already. But make sure you bust up head. Now make nobody come here come bust up head. Alright. Anyway, I could start from here so I show you how these people love pump on phone. come brag about things and have no evidence. Every day, especially this particular person, Curly, come on the phone, she has something else to say where people a compliment her of, a congratulate her of, and we can't see no proof or no evidence. Every day, the same story. I want to listen to her in a little party before I get to the meat of the matter. About some doctors and where she has said, what's up? You know, listen for yourself. Have a keen ears, outside, outdoor, breeze, alright?
Me. That is one of my lovely acquaintances. As you were saying to me, oh, I didn't see you live last night, but I'm at work playing it. And for some reason, I took off my headset. And the other nurses and doctors were beside me, and they were like, wow, that music sounds good. And she was saying that they said, no, you don't really want to hear it. It's so uplifting. Even her boss, who is a doctor, and she's a Christian, and she said, wow, keep playing it. So just to show you how I am motivating people. You understand how I'm motivating people, doctors and nurses in big hospital. And I'm not talking about, when I talk about nurse, these are not regular nurses, CNA nurse or LPN or RN or nurse practitioner. I'm talking about these are nurses where I have top.
Alright, stop it there, so Marcia. Marcia, how motivating coming at this now? If you are on your live, as what you say, one of your subscribers are listening to live and stuff, fresh squeeze soursop juice for people. Drink some cereal earlier, but me I tell you something, looking at the fridge, I have 5 different bottles of juice pull. So you can't just drink on the one juice, but the times are hot. Yeah, as me I said, you is on your live, right? And you're there on your live and you play some music and one of your subscribers that work and listen. Fortunately, I should say, to take off the headset that you could get a listening ears. Not willfully, but just take it off while someone else, a doctor, nurse, whatsoever, you say, are listening and a ear. So she realized it was too loud and I'm so she take the one and say, no man, continue. Okay, she continued to play it. And because them tell her continue because they love the music and whatsoever, that mean you're motivating them? Do you know the meaning of motivation? Do you know the meaning of motivating someone? So if me get up today now, and me a play some Buju Banton, or some Berry Saman, or some Sister Kalanchi, or some of them type of music, the roots rock reggae song and thing, and some Freddie McGregor, and from my life, and somebody that work a listening it, and them boss hear it, whether the headset turn up loud, or them take off the headset and they turn up loud, see me and them hear it, that mean me I motivate the people then? That wouldn't motivate it, that would be more entertaining. How can you use music, what is not yours, to motivate somebody? You are entertaining them. So it's a difference between entertaining and motivate. Basically, them hear the music, them love the music. So what they did, they said, okay, I love those type of music, man. Sounds good, music sounds good, make it play. So you entertain them, you now motivate them. You understand? So you have to stop talk things out of context. You're saying words that is out of context. Yes, sometimes we all do it, but because most time we're on the phone and we have flow, we just say things and sometimes the wrong word come out for the wrong context. You understand? But you're constantly doing the same thing day by day. Just like, oh, when you title your video them, every day actually you make a different mistake. Just like one of my previously talked about, you want to say you are relaxing with your caption. So instead of you spell relaxing, R-E-L-A-X-I-N-G, you spell it R-E-L-A-X-S-E-N-D, relaxend. And this way me also, only girl there, where your moderator them there, where you have run up in your comment section, where you monitor them there, where your FBI, where you say you have them can't tell you, say, correct these things, so you're calling and say, fix these things, if they can't fix it on their hand. Jesus. Anyway, my people, we're getting the Chynn matter now and lesha matter now.
Me I a pass. I see the girl. What your name? Glitz and Glamour. Let me tell you something. Me hear in one video where I say me and Tina Chynn, me and Tina Chynn gang up by you. First of all, girl, I never know you.
You never know nobody yet.
Social media sell Gucci cream. Me never come across a page, me never trouble you nor nothing. And you first start cuss me. Glitz and Glamour. And you start first cuss me.
You never know nobody yet, you know. You never watch nobody video yet. And people always sending you things. And just before I do this video, it was brought to my attention. You see someone who claim to say you're black Auntie Donna. It was surprising to the public after it brought to the attention of many people that you were talking about some iPhone issue that you have. Some phone issue where you have where the phone having too much things so it shut down. And you were strolling to prove to your audience or your companions or your acquaintance, as you always said. And to our surprise, outside in the public, the same person where you say you're black, where you're not supposed to have enough feed for that person. That person with that pretty hairstyle, like a cherry tree, fully ripe. That hairstyle is either this morning, I think, or yesterday morning. I think it's this morning, yes. It's that person who sit on your phone screen, but you still block that person. If you block that person, you're not supposed to get no form of feed. If I stand correctly. So, oh, you block her. You just come and tell lie. You don't know this, you don't know watch this, you don't know this, you don't block this. When you're not liar. But I am saying, Marcia, you know, so you should take this little moment as an opportunity that we bloggers outside and YouTubers, because I am a YouTuber, a little YouTuber. I'm no blogger. That is calling your name to make money. It's giving you one of the biggest opportunities of your 15 years in social media to make some strong money. Because with we calling your name, Marcia, you're getting so much content. Because if so much different people are calling your name at this moment, almost every vlogger and blogger, sagger and tagger and YouTuber calling your name. And it must be a reason. Because it's not like, say, boy, use a name where, yes, it's so powerful in social media. It's just that you're a clown. So you come out here, you clown yourself. People say that you clown out yourself. So them come and them speak about it. Because it's content for them. But you is also getting content when you're supposed to be reacting. Yeah. Bloggers are giving you opportunity to make money. So you're supposed to take this opportunity to do some counteraction and some reaction to some videos that people are do. Because there are so many people calling your name now. But as I say, not powerful, your name powerful. It's just what you're doing. The things that you're doing in social media. People is going to see it and come at you. Because it's all about content. It's not about your name. So when them come at you, you have the opportunity to come back at them. So if you not make no money in that little wave you will go round you, you can retire social media. Remember me tell you that, you can retire.
And whatever, me never know you. You understand? So don't come on social media come talk about me and Tina Chynn gang up by you. You see the thing about it. If you never come under my four rules, I will defecate by you. You understand? Me not trouble anytime you hear me come out here and cuss a blogger. It's because that them come trouble me first. I don't know them. 90% of the bloggers them that talk about me don't know them. And people send them come show me in a WhatsApp. And then me click on the page and hear all them and deliberate with them by yourself.
Alright, you're getting down to Chynn now. But before I go to some people, she gonna say most of these bloggers she don't know them and them come trouble her. So when she click on them page, that's how she cuss them out. Come on. Once a blogger call your name and it's not seems to be in your favor, that like that blogger is coming out solely and picking up for you. And that blogger is trying to dissect, you know, and analyze something where you say or a video where you do or where somebody say or do about you. And it's not in your favor, you get at that vlogger or that blogger or that YouTuber. Without the YouTuber, the blogger have to do anything. once he's not or she's not saying something in your favor, remember, you know, it's nothing for you to cuss the person about, you know. But because it's not in your favor, you comes out in your usual way and do what you do best. Because the thing is, you know, people continue to come in my comment. Leave the woman alone, no. You can't leave the woman alone. What happened? When does I text upon the woman, so? And I'm sure it's not only my comment alone. Because people even come saying it publicly, outside of comment, and live and whatsoever. But them now see what she do wrong. And this is why people will continue. This is YouTube, you know. This is a platform that some things, everybody takes some things as content. Things where me might bypass, and next man take it as content. Things where might look me might look on, and next man bypass it. So this is how this thing goes. So if she are going to continue to be this clown, we are going to continue to be the circus that she comes to. Okay? Once she continue to be this clown on social media, we are going to be the circus that she comes to. And when a clown come to a circus, you know what that means? It make the circus makes money. Alright? We not stop you from going to make money. So when stop coming at people comment and talk about leave the woman alone and like she's not doing anything and people is just taking steps at her.
Me not trouble them because me don't know them.
Yeah, this is how she always say. She not trouble nobody.
We are calling and talk about me.
But nobody not have to trouble you if you cuss them.
And me was passing through YouTube the other day. Me see one. The reason why me see it because the person have me picture
Chynn,
in a white yellow t-shirt and stuff. And me say, who this? Me never see this a blogger before. And when me hear her and she had deliberate, I go up on her page and me realize that she has done few videos with me. And me never know. Me never know say that there is so many bloggers out there because nobody never sent me that a person. And then when I realize also she has been a frequent on other pages that is bullying me and talk about me. Them the people that keep.
So that one little look the way you will look and see the woman, see you in one yellow ganzi upon the woman page. And you click on her page and you go through and you see say she do some videos with you also. That one little look they make you go run one big survey that you can see say this woman dep on other people page that are bullying you. You watch the woman long time. You see the woman long time. You hear of the woman long time. But you just want to come make it look like say boy, okay, you are the big deal and the shit just come. But you never hear of her.
Not talk about me. They must go look in the mirror first. Take a look in the mirror and find the right spirit in them. Them can't talk about me. So there is so much of them. Then somebody send me another one again. Ooh.
Your spirit lock up down on madness and tranquility can't come out. It frozen in the fridge. The body come out, but the spirit left frozen in the fridge. So you can't look in a no mirror to see your spirit. So be the case, somebody else might have the chance, but you don't have none. You're one frozen in a fridge.
Post all of my videos them. And so it look like to them now, them very small. Them have like 700 and add. Them not talk about me, they just share my videos. Obviously they're using my video to build their channels. And I'm sure after they build their channel, they must start cost me. And if I want, I can strike that person. You understand?
Yeah, but you're not going to strike them now. But because in the back of your head, you say people use your video and build them channel, then them come out and start go against you. Just like how you did say about your wingless friend, you come out and talk about her, so she use your things them and build her channel and then now come and tell you after and call fat. Probably King Entertainment also was one of them where you claim to say use your things them and rare and then them come against you. So as soon as these people where you see I use your video, but it's okay with you because of where you promote them I deal with. For now, come next week if them come for post one, them reach 1,000 and say boy them reach monetization and them for come out and them for see a video out there run and them for come and talk something not against you, but just staying in the middle and, you know, analyze the video and say what them have to say, you're not going to feel good. Because they should be always over on your side. And they say, no, you're going to talk about strike.
So when I look and I see these people, and you go over them page, these people come on social media, and the way them are analyze you, it come like say them are Jesus Christ themselves, because them going very deep. You understand? They can't tell if you're unhappy or if you're unhappy or you this or you that or you what not and this and.
So the psychiatrist, when you go to the psychiatrist, we get the evaluation, and the psychiatrist evaluate you. Am I Jesus Christ? No. But it's based on your information and your whole what you call it now? Diagnose and your medical records him use. You know? To get to him decision. So when you come on social media, you talk all your craps. Today, tomorrow you come talk something else. Next week you talk something else. Just like how you say you're Black Dana and you know watch her, but you still you show something to your people them. And when you look at Dana, that will see a people over your phone tap. Dana, yeah? With the big old red hair, you never know. You should have covered the red hair. You know, say probably if you did use one of your wig and cover the red hair, wouldn't make out Dana. But Dana, we see her this morning and I see her hairstyle, so we know she. You should cover Dana hairstyle or cover the forehead, who wouldn't make her out when you have people over your phone. You understand? So it's simple when you come and talk all kind of foolish. This is how we react in analyzing, you know. And then when you analyze, you know, we go deep as what you say, and it hit on the nerves, you can't believe, say, how them really see that, how them find out that. We don't live at your yard, we don't hand on your bed, we not in your kitchen. It's where you bring on the phone. Last week, this week, and next week. We remember all that, put it together, analyze you, dissect, and come to the truth of the matter. And you wonder how we find out.
Where is from what it is. And I'm like, I'm looking at these people. And I'm hearing this woman talk all kind of something, and me go on their comment page and me the people are praise her, boy. Me just like as she thinks that she's a comedian. Well, let me tell you something, girl.
Chynn?
Me not satisfied until me done you out.
Wait till the Gala, Chynn.
Whether you think say you're more intelligent than me.
Reasoning with Chynn. You better send a look on bulletproof. Better make Lesha send down one bulletproof for you now. One of them armor helmet the way the soldier them use and go war. Because after this a Gala, yeah, Curly and Coco will be out. You put Coco in a basket and have her on bicycle right up and down. You wait.
Now, me not satisfied till me give you a piece of curly mouth. And me a wait until after the Gala. Mark my 10. You know my shape tree. Me don't know you as me don't know the rest of them. But don't think say I get to it with nothing. Because
nah, get to it.
Me I let you know that right now. Me understand. And remember when I come for you, you'll get a little noise, a little bit more noise from me. That will kick you over to 5,000.
That's all happened to you. People subscription warrior.
As I realized that you're stagnant, said we with 4,000 ad. Me now run down no view now like, and me just come on page back and forth. You and the other rest of them run no money. Views and like. Me a star out here a long time. And you need to get the star out here, the star status. You understand? And for me,
So now shine
so
bright, me see no falling one in the sky.
whether or not you may think, say whatever I talk about me, you're going to get a piece of curly. But me I wait until after the Gala. Me
Prepare, Chynn, prepare.
You understand, Vicky, no knowings, but you will get some knowings after me done. I will send you. When I done with you, they will going to come over there and they're going to like up your page because you're a hater. So don't worry yourself. After the Gala, you will.
Chynn, prepare. A two things you have to prepare for, you know. You see, after the war done, whether you win or lose, Curly give you a bus. Remember, Curly will come at you after the Gala. And your numbers are going to go up sky high and they will come over the cars. You know? Yeah. And you get all of a subscription. So remember, Curly, she claimed that from early. Say, she I give you the bus. What me just say? Curly claims that from early. Say, she I going to make your page move up from 4,000 odd. When she done with you after the Gala, you must reach over 5,000. So me want to know Curly. Oh, you can boss people and promote people and you can boss yourself. Me ask you that every day.
Definitely reach a 5,000 mark. And you need little bit to reach 5,000. You understand? You need little bit to carry you to 5,000. Me know them a talk about if me a big deal. If me a big deal, me would have reached how much pan YouTube.
Come with
First
your
of all,
poor
when you come
excuse
over
now.
YouTube, when you come to me, everybody know me a woman. Me not stay on one page. Me go over Grammy. Me go over Tiki Taki. And me over there for 2 weeks.
You don't stay up on one page because of money you run down. Because for years of Facebook you're there. For years, despite you have the YouTube channel, for years of Facebook you do all of your things them. But all because you hear say and see like money a dash out of YouTube, you run come a YouTube as me say. And you realize that certain things you can do on YouTube. And you hear say Britta make how much money, because Brit was the one that probably influence you, you know, based on what you hear and I see with Brit, you know. If you go over tiki talkie, wacky, you know. Yeah. And because you hear some money and dash out over there and this money, you get this car so much money, you run go over there for the same thing. And when you get this one bag of rose and swear say $100 for one of the rose them, and when you realize say 1 cent, not even $1 like 1 cent. So it was all about money. So not talk about say. You know stay at one page. You was all over searching for funds and still searching. But what you should do is use all of them your content where Ishi and the old lady come at you because you're a clowny and try to come back at them. Find something with substance to say. Don't come and say the same thing. Suck this, suck that, suck on and that, and juice that like a sour sap and wait. No. Come with something substance. With substance that people can listen to. You understand? So you can get some views. So come mountain, but it got too late because oh no, you get the next pay bill. The next pay bill before your gala. So you can finalize panic and time to do something. Probably you can buy the meat 2 days before Gala and season it up if you buy the meat.
Then promote my page. And in 2 weeks, me reach to 4,000. Because me constantly, me constant update it every night. All in the morning, and me reach my goal. And me did upon it 1 or 2 weeks, me reach 10,000 already. You understand? Me just left it from there so. And me come over YouTube. And now my Facebook on. So let me tell you something. It's not like say me YouTube. People if you're not over here, like up, subscribe to the channel, and so you can reach 5,000.
Listener.
5,000 mark and stuff. And the likes of me.
Because she proves that she never did promote, she going to start promote now.
You never hear me come by my live and chat and say, "Uno follow my page." But uno keep reminding people, because if you don't remind people to follow your page, some of them not going to. Because them don't have to describe.
Describe?
They don't have to describe. You
Describe?
don't have to subscribe to watch you.
Subscribe.
You understand? You can share your video and then come and just over it. They have to subscribe to watch you like other places. And even though them don't have to subscribe to watch me, a big deal. 300-400 people log on said we and I watch me.
So, if you have a channel that this thing is a worldwide thing, you don't know nobody don't know you. Yes, you can put content out there and people just subscribe to you without you asking. But this is part of the whole social media thing, especially YouTube. When a person starting a video or ending a video, they said, okay, please to like, share and subscribe. So what you come with? When you sell your sheet them, you know, go on your phone and your whatsoever on your platform and beg people to buy your sheet them. And you have them at your place. When you go downtown, you know, hear the store people them, although them have a storefront, them still have people are walking and them still there on loudspeaker. Come right into us on Super Center. Come get your plastic bowls. Come get your nice dining sets. Come get this. Promotion, you have to promote what you do. What you want people to promote it for you on a year one. So this is what I say, you come on phone, come talk all kind of crap. Because this is what you say now is crap.
So me a big deal. So regardless or not, me still I get the they think you at or you at not. Whether a Chinese or a Indian or a chief or your papa, me coming for you.
See why me know what Chynn she attack?
Whether a Chinese or a Ching Wang or a Kung Fu.
Chynn, me have it, you ready for it?
I'm coming for you.
You want
Me
it?
not ask you.
You want it,
Coming for
Chief?
you. So you get a little bit more money in your pocketbook. So
Or you want
just
two of
take
them, yeah?
that
Two of them is
as a
alright, Chin.
present,
Two of
and
them
you get
stone is
you
alright.
get a little bit
Make
more
sure your
view
hand
in your
sharp, yo.
pocketbook. Cause me come and me I tell you some nasty word. Me I wait until after the gala. Just watch me. You not get because me never know say so long you over your page and discuss me and feel like say you're a comedian. All I mess with Coco. All I mess with Coco. Coco better than you. Coco more happier than you. You understand? Coco more happy than you. Coco and name garme food that you can't name me. So don't worry about me and Coco. Coco and name garme.
Coco should have really happy, yes? Coco should have really happy because you know why Coco should have really happy now? Coco have a system in America will protect her, you know. But Coco, they're on the wrong person. Where our life sad every day. She just put out the best. But our life sad every day. And you see animals, yeah, are something with sense things. Especially when them they run people who them say the owner. Them sense things. And they say if you sad, Coco I go sad. No more time Coco lie down in your bed or Coco sad bad. You call on sadness pan Coco day in, day out. So Coco should really happy. But you make Coco sad.
Me food. You understand? You need to go worry about yourself, your man, or if you have no pitney. And go worry about your gingeration them. And that you need to go worry about. But you know what? I'm going to come back for you. Let's get back to the glitz and glamour now, or whatever your name is. Glitz and glamour, neither me nor Tina Chynn. Me don't know about Tina Chynn, me know about myself. I mean, know we are drop out pan. Neither me no grudge you for your house, honey, cause me never know when you buy the house. I never
Listen.
know when time come. Me no watch you.
I want to listen, you know. And I want to analyze what this woman here going to say now. And this is why I say people always going to come at you. Because you feel like you're slick. Yeah, sometimes you play like you're slick. Just listen to the words what she going to say now and tell me if this is not jealousy. This woman you have in what she going to say yourself. You know, listen keenly, you know, my people. Listen. Stop and listen yourself.
Me don't know when you sit down in a paper, in a chair, in a chair for sign contract. Me never know when you meet up on a real estate office to go buy it. And me never know when you put down a down payment or when you go sit down at the bank to borrow the money to buy it. You understand? It says empty barrel, make the most nice. The thing about you, what is going to be your downfall?
You hear her? She never saw when the woman sit down at the bank. She never saw when she sit down on the real estate. She never raised, she never blazed. So basically she are trying to say she's still not sure if I fear her house. We're not idiot. But you will see whether I fear one or not. Because she's going to be living in there. And whether I fear money by it or not, or man money by it, she's still fortunate. You depend on how long. And no man no buy you none. Me you say you buy a ring for marry to man. For man get green card and the man turn it down. Which man a turn down green card? But through them the part of story them me not really want to go in.
brag and your boss.
Me know a man they prefer marry to all one puppy to get the green card. And when he get the green card and all is good, him just run left the puppy. But this a man I run left you before.
Too much. And you must remember, you must remember, sickness, trials, and tribulation is around the corner, disaster. So when you come on social media, they have brag.
No man, call down all of this pan the woman. Call the woman by her house. Don't fix it and patch it and put it round a curve and a corner and go around through no firm gully. You might drop off over flat bridge. So take the highway. Now go through no flat bridge. You might drop off and go through firm gully. Take the highway and say what you want to say. Call down what you want to call down from the woman. Because I want to know if when you always are going with yourself, if you don't know say sickness and all kind of sickness out there, you never know that. I know you know that. To the woman come and talk about her house and attack. You're going like you're smart now. I play like, you know, you're slick as me say. I try to call long things from the woman. Blood of Jesus against you.
But yeah,
No,
I talk about your finance, how you make $300,000 for this area. Go and brag on social media. Because the social media depend on to sell your product. So go and brag on them and go and brag and come out and talk about say when you do.
If the woman come out and share how much she make on social media, that means she a brag on social media. Because you on a social media, T get on a social media. So if you are the two persons where she a brag on, she not brag on social, she not brag on the people them that she use social media to promote her business and promote herself. That she can earn 300,000 a year, that she can even buy a house. You're on social media for years, selling your sheets and your stuff. You should be doing the same thing as this lady. You and your friend. But you don't choose not to. You don't choose to play a hate on people. You don't choose to bring down people when them strive and go around, you know. Before you say, right, me never know, say, I could do this, you know. Watch other person here come do it and go around me. You say, me a follow her, choom, and took off. If you even can't catch a person who going around you, at least you did took off or you try, so you will reach somewhere.
Decorate your house. When you don't decorate your house or your house are stay, that is the problem with one Jamaicans. That's all you do, go out and buy a little piece of old bag furniture them without a glitter. Make sure so when you're coming for brag, make sure you have a $10,000 bedroom set with mahogany wood.
You don't have one. Me bet you any money you don't have one. Because of the little China made fashion sitting me see you have your TV pan. I don't know if a Chester jar that are TV stand or what with couple jar. But that are no mahogany wood or that are no this year wood or that wood or Tara wood. You understand? That are like fashion sitting them. So now come tell woman boy make sure she buy a 10,000 bedroom set. I'm sure no. Me no know her for long, me no know Lesha for long. And me know about the look of time, me dey on social media and see her and listen out your reason. Because sometimes you can't listen out people's reason. You know when people are tell lie, you know when people just have brag pan nothing at all. And this girl proved that. She have full ambition and 20 more around her friend them ambition. So me know she can't afford to.
And make sure you have them the sort of something there. If you come with a little shiny, glistening glass and a little rhinestone furniture them don't worth nothing. You understand? And we all know say it a Jamaican pack up in our house. You understand?
Yeah, classify yourself as Jamaican too. So if you have cock up in your house, that's why you know so much. Yeah man, that's why you know so much man. Because the same type of furniture them you have in your house. Same type. No better.
Nobody no grudge you because it's not going to go nowhere. You cannot carry it to your grave with you. And when you're in the hospital bed, sit down feel big.
Listen how non-ambitious people talk. Remember I tell you in the early part of the video? This is how them talk for escape. Them oatless ways where them have. Them non-ambitious ways where them have. You can't carry it with you. You can't this. So what about your kids? What about your grandson Romy? That you talk about every day? Come on, speak to me. You have your kids. No, okay, you have one son. But you have your grandson. And you can get many more grand and great grand. So what about them? If your eyes to close tomorrow morning, you don't think your grandson will benefit the house? Your grandson that you say you leave so much for that person and your son? You come on social media and you told the people that all that you have in life is signed over to your son and your grandson. So you didn't want a house to sign over to your son and grandson also? Come on, let the people know. You don't want to buy a house? So when your eyes close, your son and your grandson can inherit that house? Don't tell me. That's what you're trying to tell the public. Okay, you're worrying about maintenance. You're worrying about when place is to paint. You don't want to buy any paint. Okay, I see. You know all jackass, you know.
But you will have with some foil and start rotting by you. You cannot carry none of them glitz and glamour they go into the house.
Yeah
so
man, bring
girl,
down the woman now, because she gone weird that you can't reach.
That you're too frightened Friday over the house. And you alone by a house. You understand? My sister buy a house about 2 weeks ago down in North Carolina. So I know you alone by a house. I mean, my sister come out and brag. Me and the sister them have them house long time and buy them 4-bedroom upstairs.
So what about you? No one know your sister them. Nobody on phone know your sister them. Your sister them are not a big deal. Your sister them are not a superstar and them have house. You're not shame. Big deal, you know, shame. If you come out here and talk about your sister, them house. What about your house? Talk about your house. Are you are the big deal? Are you everybody know? You is the one from Hollywood. The one know about your house. Come show your house. Stop talking about what your sister have. God bless the man that has his own. I mean, here you talk about me and my mama place. Inheritance place, land. The land is inheritance. I build my own place. So at least that you should have too.
It's a downstairs nice house. We don't what a bathroom can look like a master bedroom.
Stop talking about what your sister have.
You come like a damn idiot. You come out of social media and brag and tell people much money you make. And all you do is invest it in your body too. Before you invest it in some more real estate.
Why you not go tell your friend Tina that why when she invest in a fair body and belly and lately she go invest in her breast and she don't have a roof over her head. But you talk to a woman where invest in her body, invest in her breast and eat still could have lived in a one big old house herself where she appear in for one of your one as she say. So she able could have go buy one big old house and live in her. But your nasty friend T girl where do body, do belly, no live nowhere. Come like a old ginger fly. Come like one of them mango that were dropped nearly from board day before yesterday and ginger fly, bus and ginger fly fall light up. Wait, do all of them be sitting there where you talk about the woman with just buy a brand new house, plus living in a nice modern big house where she appearing for. You understand what I say to you? And she you go tell about breast and body. When you not talk to your friend Tina about breast and body, you not live nowhere. Missy Tina lie down on her bed yesterday, I must say this morning I do one live. And when I look on Tina ceiling people, if a Jamaica she there right now, she burn up, she catch a fire. A girl like Tina Chynn, where I make so much money, not supposed to live under them condition there. Unless she make the sacrifice to build her own place, like others, then me can see with her. Unless nothing go on for her, me can see with her. But them ya hype bossy and cockatty people, yeah. Not supposed to lie down on them bed and can touch them ceiling. These are for people where I make sacrifice to have them own. You know have no ambition, you're your friend. So the condition you not live on, you should not live on, I need to call you too boss, you too hype and bossy. I not have nothing in our life. Everything you talk about, you can't carry it with you. You can't carry it with you. So why you spend so much money buy so much old bangarang and clothes? You know, should have walk naked because you can't carry the clothes with you where you come and boast about every day. The crab leg them. You can't carry the cruise them with you. You can't carry the sandals, Ocho and the sandals, this and the resort, this with you. But you come and you boast about them. Go ahead.
You invest it in a body. Amount of money we spend for your body, you probably could have buy one other house with it.
And you so buy one, you can have one.
Time. How much money you spend for your body? That the money we spend for your body, you could have owned a house long time.
The amount of money we spend, how much years in a phone, pan cruise, pan result, from flying from one country to the other and come on social media, come brag pan people. You could have one little tattoo. You could have sitting, let me show you, you could have sitting like this. Look. Look. All me foul them live better than you. See there? I ain't no long no foul no in here. See there up on the bedroom after me foul them. Look. See it? Look how broad it is. See that? Be things pack up in here. Because of the heat, we not raise no foul now. Because we can't afford to burn so much current. See there? I fan them here. I foul them on. See there? Fan down there so. See there? Fan here so. See there? Yeah, I saw me foul live. See there? See there? So I me foul them and live better than you. So you should hear if you have one little tattoo, you come and cuss people. You're not supposed to cuss somebody, man. All the Monday you should save too. So no one come give people advice and people can't go no advice. And only way I give advice, you never pick the beam out on the eye first. Because you give somebody advice where is more advanced than you, they're far in a life than you.
But no, you're rather to have the flesh than to have a house for your pitney.
So where the woman just buy? The woman didn't know what she look for. The woman didn't know her future and have her future well planned and set out. So she could have able to go do her body, then go do breast, then do body again. I just recently she do her body, you know. Again, you know. Based upon what me understand, you know, her must say her breast, you know. And watch it. Right back of the other. She buy her house. How long now Tina do her belly and her body? Can't buy not even a matches box. How much crab leg you know, man, this and cruise you go on since the year start and last year. And now you can't buy a cigarette box. And you talk about somebody will do all the way you say and go buy a big house. Make it make sense now. Poor fool woman, make it make sense. You all dumb jackass, you. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, hit that thumbs up and please to watch it as me I beg you know that. Because them here come and beg money for y'all decoration for them own private home. I come tell people about people that beg for likes and whatsoever. And please remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and click a subscription. Thanks for watching. I'm out.